Hi guys, before I start on my main video, I would like to share something. As you guys know, I'm a food photographer, so a lot of the times I've been using this very casual luggage, but it seems to be very light. So recently I've bought a bigger luggage and it's just arrived. This metallic looking luggage only costs about 100 Singapore dollars or up to about 130 USD, but it's so interesting as it comes with different locks and it looks very durable. So above that, they even give me stickers for it. So they have all these different touristy looking stickers. Okay, this is definitely not for me. But of course, I like this the most. I'm really glad how this morning turns out. Let's get back to the main video and the reason why you're here. Now, why are you guys here today? Today we're going to be talking about crop in 4K. Apparently a lot of camera brands out there, Sony, Canon, Nikon and maybe a few others, have a crop in 4K. And the crop I mean is further crop from just the body itself. Let's take for example, if I have a 16mm attached to my A6500, I will have to multiply it by 1.5, which gives me about 24mm, and a further 1.2, which gives me about 26mm. I did not notice this problem until recently that I checked online and realized that there's a further crop in 30 frames per second, which was quite sad for me to know at such a late stage, but we learned along the way, right? So apparently if I shoot at 24 frames per second, it has a far lesser crop than 1.2. I would say it's about maybe 1.05. So enough talk. Let me show you guys some video examples which I've recently shot with my A6400 and my A7 II as a full frame comparison. Let's go! Hi guys, so I'm recording the audio on my RX 100 Mark V, so you'll notice a quality difference between the audio. For the sake of comparison, I actually mounted a full frame lens on my full frame body to show you guys what is an actual 24mm. So as you can see, this is the full frame equivalent of the 24mm on my full frame lens. And this is 16mm on my full frame lens. So this will be the 24mm equivalent on my crop sensor body, which has a factor of 1.5 crop. So on my A6400 is actually the Sigma 16mm 1.4. Now let's see how it looks on 4K in 24 frames per second. Okay, so this is 4K in 24 frames per second. As you can see, there's a slight crop from the photo mode. Now let's change it to 30 frames per second. So this is the 30 frames per second, which is even more cropped in. So you can take it as the lens you have to multiply it by 1.5, which on the 16 will equals to a 24, and then you have to times another 1.2, which equates to about 28mm on this mode. Now, as you guys can see, there's a very obvious crop from the 24 frames and the 30 frames per second. So a lot of my videos on my channel are going to be changing to 24 frames per second, so that I have this slightly wider view which my crop sensor body will definitely need. So now with that said, I'll bring back my boggle head for further photo comparisons. I'm sure you guys know this crop factor somewhere out there already, but this is just for all those who do not know. So as you guys can see, 16mm on full frame and a crop sensor body has differences on the aperture and on the look of it. I hope you guys learned something from my channel today, and I'm sure Bogglehead Thor does. Please leave down in the comments below what you like about this video and what are the things which I missed out. And please like and ring the bell notification so that you'll be alerted for more of my photo walks and gadget reviews. So if not, me and Bogglehead Thor would say goodbye today, and we'll see you in the next one.